Here I have OPPO F7 and let me show you how to reset call logs and contacts on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and choose additional settings. Then you need to find and select backup and reset. Here let's tap factory data reset and choose here erase contacts and call logs right here. So if you are aware of this operation and if you would like to erase contacts and call logs, let's tap those red buttons twice, and that's it. The contacts and call history on this phone has been erased, so now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.